These are the 3 ways to turn an image into a coloring page.
First, go to your uploads and then pick a picture from your uploads, then adjust, and then go to edit image, adjust, and then let's change the brightness to 100 and also the contrast to 100, and then the whites and the blacks go to 100. Then the color, we're gonna make the saturation negative 100. And if it doesn't work yet, go to color edit and then change the saturation into negative 100. Both of it, make it a negative 100. And then if it also doesn't work still, just change the brightness. Then that's it. You have your first coloring picture. Next is go to your uploads and then go to edit image. Just click the magic edit right there and then adjust the brush size. And just do that to your photo. Select it. Yeah. Then after that, you're just gonna describe it how you want it to be. We're gonna make this a black and white. Then generate. We're just gonna pick from the 4 photos that Canva is gonna show us. We're gonna pick the best one. Then I think the best one is this one. Yes. That's it. You have a coloring picture. And the last way is to go to your elements and pick a picture or image from the Canva. Then just change the color into white and black. There you go. And there you have it. You have a coloring pages, photos right here. That's it.